Let's talk about the recently launched Huawei smartphone Nova Y72 with stunning starry circle design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.75 inches HD plus water drop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 84.1% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on EMUI 12 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A73 plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex A53, powered by Kirin 710A chipset, paired with Mali G51MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.3 by 77.7 by 8.93 mm, and it weighs around 207 grams, and the color options green, black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watt super fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Nova Y72 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 699 UAE dirhams, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 9,599 Philippine peso. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova Y72 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.